Everyone. I am Ashwini Kumar again in front of you, your PGT Physical Education, working as a head of department sports in your school. So, students, I hope you all are well at your homes, and I will pray to God. Please stay home, stay healthy. So, today my topic is regarding time management. How we can spend 12, 13 hours in home with our parents, with our fellows, because continue we cannot do a single task. I mean study, we cannot study for 10 hours, we cannot sleep for 10 hours, we cannot eat for 10 hours, we cannot play for 10 hours, we cannot do anything continuously. If we are doing so, we will feel bored, and errors can occur. You see, for that we have to do some extra activities also to spend time. You see, I will tell you some tips how to spend time, I mean good time for wellness life, so that we will not feel bored. First of all, early in the morning when we wake up, always 4 maybe 5 o'clock, so give 30 minutes for God. I mean pray to your God, whatsoever you are like, whatsoever your religion, doesn't matter is this: you have to spend 30 minutes in front of God, pray to God for your health and all. Then 40 minutes for your health. 40 minutes in health, you can do some exercises, some yogic exercises, some rhythmic warming up, some alternate things you can do over there, some jumping you can do over there, some aerobics you can do over there, even you can do dancing also, it's also aerobic. So this 40 minutes for your body. And next, every 50 minutes for your every subject. Suppose you are having 6 subjects, 7 subjects, 5 subjects. Those who are having 4 subjects, they have to give 1 hour for every subject. Those who are having 6 subjects, just like grade 10, grade 9, grade 8, whatsoever, they have to give 50 minutes for each subject. So you can take more time for that, and after each subject give interval of 10 minutes. In this 10 minutes you can listen music, even you can do some dancing also, even you can take some 5 minutes meal also. Take meal, after every 1.5 hour, even we can say after 2 hours you can take a little bit meal. And take more water. After every 1 hour you have to take at least 1 glass of water. This is also a time management. And listen carefully, do dance a day. Dance is also a therapy. Dance is also a medicine. Even music is also a medicine. A half hour for dance, half hour for music, whenever you are feeling bored. Suppose you are listening your topic, physics, regularly 1.5 hour, because a long class may be there, so you may feel bored. After that you can listen some music also. And these are some healthy tips. And especially for my daughters, those who are living in their home due to lockdown, they cannot go outside, they can help their mothers in the kitchen also. Those even boys can also. This is a time of listening, time of learning also for you people. Nobody can say you are in science stream, you are in commerce stream, you will not go to kitchen. Who told you? You have to spend at least 30 minutes with your mother, and you can learn a lot from your mother, how she is working since so long. You can help also, and you can take some initiative also for kitchen works. So this way you can spend your time. Today I'm in formal dress in front of you in a very long span of time. I'm always wearing lower and t-shirt, but today I'm in formal dress. That's why I'm talking to you formally also, regarding time management, how to spend time. So I am giving some formulas: 30 minutes for God, 40 minutes for body, 50 minute to 1 hour for each subject. It will very helpful for you, for your life, especially nowadays. because you don't have more time for outdoor practices. Outdoor is totally closed. If you are going to market, you can go only to buy vegetable, fruits and all. You cannot go to ground also, you cannot go to mall also. So this time management you can spend in home, this position. It will very helpful for you. Hope so you will follow it. And uh, I would pray to God, we will come up from this crisis in very short span of time. So if we are in houses, we should pray only, and we can pray only what we can do. And please stay home, stay healthy, follow my tips. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.